What in the world is that? Oh, that's one of those slingshot things. 2 of them. Oh my gosh, you guys. These new LED headlights are so bright. Like, this is just the regular lights now. They're way brighter than the previous ones. A buddy of mine said there's a bunch of people out cruising tonight, so we are going to see if that's true. Oh, everyone's parked. That's where I needed to go. I can't show you right now, but once I get somewhere where there's not a lot of light, the brights don't even make that much of a difference. I need to get somewhere where there's not a lot of light pollution though. Maybe right here. There's normal and there's bright. You can't really, there's too much light right here. Let's see if there's any cops out. That's the one thing we gotta check for. That's the most important thing. I haven't seen any so far. So that's a good thing. Let's see if I can find my buddy's truck too. Hey. I don't know what that was. Is that a hypermotor? Hypermotard? I guess I'll find out. I think it is. That sounds good. Ducati Hypermotard. Yep, it definitely is. Alright, now I guess we get to see the people. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Hypermotard. That is awesome. I never heard one of those. That certainly sounds good. Oh, you suck. I guess the bars are open now. What do you know? There's still not very many people out. You would think there would be. Ooh. That Camaro sounded good, and that is a definitely race truck. Golly, look at the tires on that thing. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get my 68 Mustang finished, and I'll be able to take it out here. Hey, there's the guy with the Chucky doll hanging out. No headlights working though. Alright, so there's a couple cops downtown. Not too bad though. What is this? Golly, look at the tires on this one too. Was that a Nova or Chevelle? Jeez. Huge tires. Sorry, there's a little bit of wind noise too. I had to put my clear visor on, and that one does not fit the best. I could have taken the bobber out to go cruising too, I guess, because I got the cool underglow on it. Yeah, there's a GTR. What do you say we race a GTR? There's some bikes. There's a bunch of bikes. I guess I won't be finding my friend right now. What do we got? 600, I think. I don't know how you're riding with a tinted shield at night, dude. That's an R3. Or is that an Audi? I don't know. Oof! There's a red 68 Mustang. Yep, it's a Porsche. I don't think I know any of these people. Oh my gosh, this bike does not like to go this slow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the bars are open, but not that many people are out. It's currently a Saturday night. You can't beat that sound. Oh hey, there's another sport bike. And a chick rider, nice. Oh, that's the same group. See if we can find my buddy. Alright, we'll see if I can find my friend. Looks like Tristan. It is Tristan. Oop. Well, there's one friend I found, but not the other one. Alright, well I guess my friend headed home, so we'll do one more lap and then we'll do the same. Yeah, usually there's a lot more people out than this. Oh well. Ooh, fox body. Nice. I'm surprised at how much heat this is generating still, even at night. It's probably like, I don't know, 70 degrees right now. I can still feel the heat on my legs. Ooh, nice. That Mustang had a huge blower on it, on that trailer. This is what we need, is like an open road to do that performance testing though. Nobody on it. That's exactly what we need. Ooh, there's a race truck. I like that. Oh well, we tried. That's a weird looking Miata. Yep, not a whole lot out here. Oh well. We'll once we get out of the city, we'll do a daily 100 for you guys and then show you the difference on the high beams. On these new headlights. Hey, there's a new R1 or an R6, I can't tell. Well, at least we had a good test of the new headlights. that was the main purpose of going out tonight anyway. Alright, here's the test of the high beams right here. Doesn't make much of a difference. You can see it up higher, but that's about it. After this light, we'll get you guys the daily 100. Alright, here we go. I got up to, but it was at least 120-ish. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Now look how bright these lights are. They're so bright. You better stay there. Here we go, one last daily 100. That was like 140. Alright guys, bye!